In this video, I will show you how to exit big picture mode in Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, you can see I'm currently on Steam in big picture mode. To come out of this, all you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto Steam menu, or alternatively what you can do is press escape on your keyboard, which is also going to open up the menu. Now from here, you want to look for power. It's down at the bottom, give that a click. That's going to bring up some options like this. And on here, you're going to see a option to exit big picture mode. All you need to do is simply give that a click. And what it's going to do is exit big picture mode and revert back to the original Steam. If you are finding every time that you open Steam that it does start automatically in big picture mode, then you can actually turn this off by coming up to the top left hand corner, clicking onto Steam up here, and on this menu, if you come and click onto settings, and once the settings window has opened through, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto interface. Now on the interface screen, you need to scroll down a bit, but you're going to see an option to start Steam in big picture mode. All you need to do is turn the switch off, just like so. And once you've done that, every time you now start up Steam, it's just going to start with the normal interface and not in big picture mode. So that is how to exit big picture mode on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.